Hello, guys. My name is Rahul, and so this series I have explained the repeatedly asked question in the interview uh, that might be encountered in some of the interviews. JavaScript. So basically, what is the OOPS and why it's important to use it? Okay. What is the benefits and what are the uh, key features that we are learning in this video? So basically, the OOPS is stand for object-oriented programming. It's nothing but means overall approach that we use to design, right? Basically, the programming style uh, that use object to design application and the computer programs. Right? Basically, the JavaScript doesn't have the OOPS uh, follows OOPS principles. Right? So basically the four key concept that we learn in what is the encapsulation is like about the bundling the data. Data means property and methods. Methods means whatever like it's like a function that we are creating inside the object. Mhm. Right. So the methods and the properties are bundling and that manipulating the data in a single unit, right? So, uh, for example, you can see here local storage can have some methods, properties, uh, the properties land, methods, get item, uh, set item. So, whenever we are calling the local storage, it has some properties and the methods. So, it is related to single unit that is represent the local storage, right? So it is encapsulated inside the local storage. So we can use this using local storage dot get item dot set item, right? So okay. So here we are taking one example. So we are creating one constructor function, the name copy machine, and inside we are taking the copy beans equal to 100, and we are taking creating three methods: grind beans, make copies, and show beans. So using the new keyword. Basically, okay. So first, it's this is reference to the copy machine constructor, right? So whenever we are creating, uh, whenever we are creating new constructor, new object without using the new instance, new keyword. So uh, without the new keyword, the met the objects, whatever we are creating, like for example, in this example, we are creating my machine with the new copy machine. Okay? But if we are not using the new keywords here, and if we are creating another time, next time we are using the uh, copy machine, so it will over time override riding the data. implementation. And the abstraction is abstractions. It's like uh, it's showing as essential functionality or essential information and hiding the other data. So here you can see the data abstraction refer to providing only essential information about the data to outside world. Means the outside world that can see only the essential information that we are showing and hiding the background detail. What happened inside out inside the backgrounds. Yeah. So abstractions means hiding certain details that does not matter to users and only showing the essential features of function. For example, uh, TV, uh, TV remote. We are clicking the plus button, the volume will increase, right? And using the minus button, the volume is decreasing. So, so in this case, uh, what we can see just pressing the plus button and we can see the result of this what happened using the plus table, but we have not seen what happened inside the background inside the remote, what happened actually happened, what the function, what the data is inside the remote, but we are seeing the results. So the abstraction helps for taking this taking this example again. So in this example, we are creating the copy beans, which is the private, okay, and we are calling the private method. So private method, it is accessible only in the inside the function, inside this constructor function, right? Not outside. So you can see here, if we are, you can see here, the my machine make copy, okay, okay to a public because of the public method, and so beans it's also okay to call, but my machine grind beans means grain green beans we doesn't want to show to publicly, right? So we are creating this method private, so it will use only inside the constructor, not the outside world. They cannot directly accessible this green beans, so this will throw the error that it's private method. And the inheritance means inheritance, you can see the key principle that allows us to create a new class that is based on existing class. The new class known as a subclass inheritance inherits attribute and methods from the existing class, which is referred to a superclass. So you can see here. We have created one special copy machine constructor function, and this superclass we are creating one special copy machine, right? So inside this, we are calling the copy machine dot call using this. This is represent to this object. It set up inheritance and how to set up inheritance. So you can superclass dot prototype is equal to so subclass dot prototype object dot create copy machine dot prototype and special copy machine dot prototype dot constructor is equal to special copy machine. So all the properties of the copy machine uh, inheritance by the special copy machine. Or we can use all of the methods and the properties. And the fourth pillar is polymorphism. Polymorphism is referred to the ability of different objects, different objects response in their own way. Different objects, their in response in their own way to the same message or method call. Like these constructor use these methods and another constructor have same methods, but they react as encapsulation bundles data property and methods into single units, providing better organization and structure code, right? And abstraction allow developer to focus essential features or while hiding unnecessary details. And inheritance promotes code reusability, reduce redundancy by allowing subclasses to inheritance property and method from superclass. And the polymorphism enables object of different type to respond to the same method or message in their own specific way. Yeah, so that's all about in this video. Uh, we are coming with the next question.